Spare parts are the most important growth driver for machine manufacturers' revenue and profits. But it's certainly not easy to succeed within the aftermarket business. Thousands of parts, hundreds of competitors. And there's zero visibility of what competitors are offering. Everything is cloak and dagger stuff. Amid cost surges and high inflation, it's become nearly impossible for aftermarket and service professionals to track rapidly changing market dynamics while growing parts revenue and profit margins like their companies expect. What if manufacturers had access to competitor prices and lead times for parts with no manual effort? What if aftermarket and service professionals could set the perfect price to easily maximize revenue and profit? This is now possible with Price Radar. Price Radar provides market data for parts prices and lead times for machine manufacturers' entire parts portfolio. It helps aftermarket professionals understand competitive landscapes and optimize parts pricing with confidence. Price Radar is easy to use. It takes just 4 simple steps to optimize your parts pricing strategy. Step 1. Input existing parts information through Price Radar's intuitive interface. Step 2. Price Radar reveals competitor pricing and lead times for every part in your portfolio. It combines AI and human validation to ensure 100% verified results within 24 hours. Step 3. Price Radar shows which parts are underpriced or overpriced relative to the market, or which parts are exclusive to you. Step 4. Export data as Excel or CSV files to update prices immediately. It's not surprising that thousands of aftermarket professionals view Price Radar as their new best friend. Price Radar helps them succeed. What's best is that Price Radar requires no setup, training, or IT implementation projects. It's easy to use, and most customers are up and running in a matter of days. Growing your parts business has never been easier. Get started with Price Radar today.